People know that I shouldn't be here. This is wrong, and baby, it's killing me, it's killing you. Both of us trying to be strong. I got somewhere else to be, promises to keep, someone else who loves me and trusts me fast asleep. I've made up my mind, there is no turning back. She's been good to me, and she deserves better than that.